A big issue that comes up that's kind of a quasi myth is that you have to be separated for a year before you can file for divorce in Florida. And that's a myth under Florida law. In some states, it's a requirement, but for Florida, it is not a requirement. So we have a lot of people, in Florida, we're a melting pot, people from moving from up north to Florida and out west to Florida. And, so a lot of these people just presume that the law is the same in the state that they came from. There are states that do require separation periods, separation agreements. They're very rigid in how they apply those. Florida is a much more liberal, open view of divorce, and our body of law kind of, reflects that. There's no separation period. We file for divorce in Florida based on irreconcilable differences. We don't have to prove fault. Some states, I think, still have some fault requirements. We do not. The closest thing we have to a waiting period is not really a waiting period before you file, but there is a waiting period before the judgment can go in. And it's about 20 days, have to pass after a settlement agreement or, anything happens before a judgment can go in. And lets people cool off, maybe, reflect on it. Do I really want this? There is a little hold off period there, but there's no waiting period before you file for divorce in Florida.